Thank you, sir, for calling me, and I am grateful to you that you have called me for speaking something about education. Really, at this time, only education is everything for us. Without education, we are incomplete. That's why, till now, we have to understand the importance of education. That how much education is important for us. If we think about our lives, without education, our lives are incomplete. That's why we have to think a lot about education. If we have no education, we are insulted everywhere. We all know very well about YouTube, about Google. We all understand the persons who have no education, they are failed everywhere. They are insulted everywhere. That's why we have to understand about this age, and we have to get education at all hazards. So we all are present here to know the importance of education. Really, without education, we'll get a lot of problems. That's why till now we have to get education. Some of the friends live in misconception also that no, without education we can get success. But if we enter the office, there we will realize that what is the importance of education. If we have to book the ticket, there we will understand what is the importance of education. If we go to foreign country, there we will understand what is the importance of education, because it's a digital age and everywhere education is demanded. If we talk about ancestors, we have to not sustain like them because it's a technical age. So till now we have to think about education and we have to go ahead in our lives. That's why here everywhere a school is being opened and students have been getting education, and only because of education we all have been going ahead in our lives. And if we think about English, English is also a common language. That's why everyone wants to learn English. Without English, we can't communicate with foreign persons also. That's why education means English is most important for us, and we all have been learning a language also means English. And for learning English, what we have to do? We have to converse each other. We have to talk each other. And for talking, what is required? Persons are required, and we all have been sitting. We all have been talking. That's why we all have been making a good environment, and only because of that environment we all have been enhancing our speeches also. Since childhood we all have been learning English, but we have been not speaking. Why? Because we had no environment that time. But now we have a beautiful environment, because here we all talk each other. That's why we get a beautiful environment and we learn this language. That's why for learning this language, for learning a language, a beautiful environment is required. As we all speak Bhojpuri, Hindi, different languages are spoken in our country. Why? Only because of environment. So here we all have to make a beautiful environment, and we all have to learn this language. And for learning this language, we have to not care about ourselves, that we are weak, we have some of the problems. For this, only one thing is required, and that thing is environment. And we all have been making a good environment, and we have to make and we have to talk. If we talk, definitely we can learn this language. This is my short view about education. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my granted tutor and my all respected blossoms of English Point. Very, very beautiful good evening to all of you. Just I have got a chance to speak something about education in English. So I am so grateful towards my tutor who has given me this opportunity to say something about this topic. First of all, I want to introduce myself because it is also very important to know each other, because this is the tradition of English Point also. That's why I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Azam, and I am also a student of this institution. This is my short introduction. My dear friends, we all know that what is the importance of education in our lives and what is the value of education in our lives. Because education is such a thing through which we can go ahead in our lives. Education is such a thing through which we can change our direction and situation. Education is such a thing through which we can develop ourselves, our families, and our villages, and our society, and our country also. Because education has power, and that power can be used to trigger the world also. Because education has a lot of power, and we all know that with the help of education we can change the direction of world also. Because everything runs with the help of education and with the help of science. Because we all know that everything is connected with education. Once Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar said that education is the milk of lioness, the more you drink, the more you roar. And every religion says that please get education, please get education. Because education is very important to survive your lives, to know what is called parents, what is called respect, what is called discipline. About those all topics, every religion and every community says that please get education and please become a good person in your society and serve your society. And we all know that with the help of education we can survive our lives very beautifully. Because we are such a creature who is so superior, because we are not animals. And if you have no education you are nothing, your value is as an animal. So I can say that really education is very important for everyone. Because with the help of education we can survive our lives. Because if you don't get education, tomorrow you will have to sell the vegetables on the road. If you have no education, you will have to sell some of the things on the road, and you will struggle in your life a lot. That's why education is very important to secure our life and and secure our family also. That's why education is very important. And we all know that with the help of education everything is important. And to polish our education, English is very important in this age. Because English is such a language through which we can express our words, emotions, concepts, ideas, feeling, and everything. Because English is such a medium through which we can express everything easily in all over the world. Because English is spoken in all over the world very easily, and every country speaks English. And if you want to go anywhere and if you have English, of course you can survive your lives easily. But if you don't have English, you will get a lot of problems to survive. That's why English is very important. And we are so fortunate that we all have touched this institution and we all have been coming here to get English. This is the mercy of God, and this is the bliss of God that we all are present here, and we all try to enhance our inner beauty, our personality. Because English is such a thing through which we can enhance our personality also, and we can make ourselves productive and creative. Then we can do something. Because English is such a language through which we can become more smart. Because English is such a language through which everyone can enhance his personality, his mentality also. I want to put an example. Suppose that you are well educated, but you have no English language. You don't know how to speak, how to write something. Your education is nothing. You are completely as black and white television. There is no value of yourself. That's why in this age education and English both are very demanded. If you have both, of course you can survive your lives easily. But if you have no education, if you have no English, you can't do something in this age. Because this age needs successful people, and if you are not success, you can't get something in this age. Nobody will ask you how are you and who are you. That's why education is also important. And with education, English is very important to polish our education, to go ahead in educational area. Because in all areas English is demanded, English is asked. That's why English is very important. If you have English, of course you can get extra benefits in educational area. So my dear friends, I want to say that please get education also, and please get English also. because only with the help of education you can't do something in this age. If you want to survive your lives easily, you have to learn English also, then you can go ahead in your lives. And really in all exams English is very important. Means if you have English, then you can pass an interview also, because suppose that you are such a student who knows means what Hindi, but there is also a student who knows English also. So the person who knows English, that person can get means extra marks, and you will become fail also. That's why English is very important to change our personality, to show our education, because both are connected each other. Means if you have both, then you are something. If you have if you have no English but you have education, you are nothing in this age. That's why both are very important. I want to request you, please get education also and please get English also, because both are connected each other. And with the help of both, please go ahead in your lives. Please come here every day and please be focused in your life. Don't be demotivated. Don't be determined. Of course, you can learn English. English is nothing. English is such a language through which we can enhance ourselves. And English is such a language which can be learnt easily. That's why I want to say that we have to learn both and we have to get both, because both are very important. I thought that I have spoken a lot and I have expressed my words before you all. So thank you for listening me.
Okay, now time is over to ask the question. They have spoken on their speeches. They have spoken on their speeches and you have listened very carefully. But now it is time to ask the question with both of them related to their speeches. Now, if anybody would like to ask question, then raise your hand and ask the question. You ask, please. I'll come to you also, but let him ask.
How can I practice at my quarter? Because I live alone. My friend is left me. So how can I practice at this time at my quarter?
Tell something about it.
Really, you have asked a beautiful question. It happens, friends come in our life and friends go also, but we have to not think a lot about our friends. We have to think that our education is our friend. And the point is that how can we practice? For practicing, you have to think yourself that he is my friend. You image in your mind that he is my friend and I am talking with him. You say that how are you? You realize that I am fine. Like this, many type of questions you can ask and you can gain answer also. So like this you can practice, and for practicing you have to think in your mind. And what you have to think? You have to think in Hindi and you have to try to translate that. Sir has given us a lot of rules and you have to revise. Of course you can practice like this. If you do like this, you can do better.
Okay, other question? Okay, you ask. Let her ask, then you will ask.
My question is with Azam Bhai, if you have no money, then how can complete our education? Because at this time every teacher demand money, and after that they teach us.
Okay, thank you to assist me. Really, money is very important to get education also. But if you have no education, first of all, you have to become willingful. Of course, things will be smooth. Means if you are focused, if you want to get education, of course, a lot of ways come to you to get education. But if you have no money, please know the source. How can we earn money? Suppose that you have no money but you want to get education also. For that you have to work also. If you can work, it is also good. But if you can't work, there are a lot of platforms there you can get education. First of all, you have to search the ways, then you can get education, because money is also required. You have said right, every teacher wants money, it is right. But if you want to get education without money, it can happen. But first of all, you have to search the ways how can we get education without money. And if you can earn money, yourself, it is very good. Please earn money also and get education. It is my point.
Okay, other question, please. You ask, please.
My question is with Sajad Bhaiya. if we have no education, then how can we get success?
While addressing, I have mentioned that without education we are incomplete. So it's a clear that without education, how can we get success? Without education, we can get success, but we should have the educated. If the educated help us, of course we can get success. That's why education is required at this time. Of course you can get success, but the educated have to help you. After that you can get success. Thank you.
Okay, you ask. Hey, ask him.
My question is with Sajad Bhaiya. Suppose that you have not education, how will you feel? This is my question.
Yeah, really you have asked a difficult question, because if I see at my village also some of the persons are such, they have no education. Their looks are so handsome, so smart, but as soon as they sit in interview, interviewers ask some of the questions and suddenly they answer that we have no education, and there they are rejected. So if I have no education, I will ignore myself. That's why here we have to educate. We have to get education at all hazards. In anyhow we have to get education. Otherwise we will repent in our lives. So get education, please. Thank you.
Other question from this side. Ask.
Our government rule is in matriculation, English is no important. But for going ahead in our life, that time English is most important. What is your opinion?
Very good.
With whom you are asking?
With
You.
Sajad Bhaiya.
With Sajjad.
Thank you. Really, you have asked a historical question, and there is a mystery about this question also. And you have asked that in matriculation there is no importance of English. If there is no importance of English, why English papers are taken? English is compulsory. We have to appear at the examination and we have to write down also. But here the point is that when we talk about history, when Mr. Karpuri Thakur came in government, that time in our state there was nothing but poverty, and that time many of the students used to leave study only because of English, because they had no money. But now we have facility. Now we have to gain the knowledge of English. That time he mentioned that the students who don't obtain more marks in English also, they have to pass. But it's not so that English is not necessary in matriculation. English is necessary, English is compulsory also. If we don't appear in the paper of English, we will not get result, we will fail. So we have to think and we have to gain knowledge, because we have to understand the demand of age also, and we have to learn this language. So here it's not so that there is no importance of English in matriculation. There is importance, and we have to understand and we have to get.
I want to say you, suppose if government does not give you the ration, will you not eat? You will eat.
Yes.
Means think if government is not making English necessary, you have to make English necessary yourself, because you have to go ahead in your lives. Government will not help you in your future. So please learn English and get English, because this is your need. This is not a government's need. So I want to say that if government will not give you the ration, for all that you will eat, you will survive your life. Like that, if government is not making English necessary in matriculation, you have to make English necessary yourself, and please learn English.
Okay, you ask.
My question with Azam bhai. In our speech you mentioned only by the help of English education we survive our life. Then really when we have only English and education, then you survive our life?
Okay, listen please. Surviving means what? Means if you want to survive your life beautifully in educational area, then English and education both are important. Means everyone can survive his life beautifully. Means surviving means not only eating, playing, sleeping and going somewhere else. If you want to sustain your life beautifully, if you want to get respect in your society, if you want to do something for your country, then education is important and English is also important. Understood?
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
now
For that-
it is time to ask some question from me to you. Okay, you stand please. Tell about this type of class. That is this type of class important for learners?
Sir, this type of class is very important for learners because means we are coming here for learning English language. That's why means this type of class is very beneficial for us, and means it's our privilege to we come here for learning English language.
Okay, you stand. Tell. Talking each other, conversation. These are very compulsory for learning this language. What is your thought about it?
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity for saying something about this topic. Really, sir, talking, conversing, and appearing in group discussion class is very, very important for learning this language because this language depends on practice, and in this type of class we practice a lot, and we speak on a different topic. And as today we have talked about how can we explain you should learn English language, and like this a question answer class is running. So this type of class is very beneficial, and by the help of this type of class we can improve in English area, and I am very happy after looking this type of condition.
What is your thought about this language? Really, this language is also very important. With the help of this language, we can go ahead in our life, or without this language also we can go ahead in our life.
No doubt in this matter, sir. This language is too much important. If we want to go ahead in our life, then of course this language is too much important, because at this time we are looking at our country becoming digital day by day in English area. If we have this language, then of course we can go ahead in our life through this language. So if we have this language, then we didn't get problem to go ahead in our life. If we have this language, then of course definitely we can go ahead.
What is your thought about this class? That really this type of class is important for learners. With the help of this type of class, everyone can learn this language.
Really, sir, this type of class is very important for a learner because we all are learner and we are here for learning this language. And if we involve this type of environment, then of course we can learn this language easily, because here the environment which is created by you, this is very beneficial for learning this language, because here we get many things. Here we get many activities like conversation and asking question answer like this. So these all are very useful for learning this language.
What is your thought about education? That is education important? Is education important for us?
Yes, education is important for everyone. At this time, education helps to all work. Education helps to earn money. So education is most important for everyone.
Can you say something about this type of class? That what is your thought about this type of class? Really, this type of class is beneficial for all the students who are sitting over here?
Yes, sir, definitely. There is no any doubt in this matter. This type of class helps a lot, because in this type of class we learn a lot of things. As we know, for doing any type of work, there is a need of any platform like this. For learning English language, this is also a platform. Here we are learning this language and we are enhancing ourselves. Here all the things which are necessary for learning this language, these all things are happened here by all the students, with the help of all the students, and here all the activities are also done. And in this type of activity we involve and we enhance ourselves. We also involve in a group discussion, JD class, like debate class also. We also go at the podium and we speak according to our topics. Like this type of class we are doing every day, and here there is nothing but English environment, and we are totally happy and we are totally growing in English area. That's why I can say that this type of class is very beneficial for learning this language. And if we talk about our mates, then they are also doing very well, because they have been learning this language for a long time, and definitely they are doing very well in this area. And I hope that we all are doing very well, and definitely we will do very well in our life.
Okay, you stand you and tell something about this type of class. What is your thought about this class? Really, this class is important for learners.
Yes, sir. This type of class is very important for learners because with the help of this type of class, we can learn how to speak this language, how to behave with someone. Like in conversation class, we get many more sentences and words through which we can make new sentences and words. From with the help of this type of sentences, we can show our well speech before everyone. So this type of class is too much important for learning this language.
What is your thought? You stand and tell about this type of class. Same question I'm asking with many of the students. You also tell about this class, that is this class precious for learners?
Of course, no doubt in this matter. This type of class is very important for every learners because in this class there is nothing but English. And in this class, everyone got chance for speaking something before the many student. And with the help of this class, we can enhance our speaking skill. And with the help of this type of class, we can remove our hesitation also. So I can say that this type of class is very important for every learner. This is my thought about your question.
Okay. Now I'm asking, take a seat, please take a seat. You stand and tell about this class. What is your thought about this class?
So this class is very important for everyone, and also I'm looking everyone, and everyone is speaking very well this language, and also and I have got problem and I went to other state. That time I was getting problem for talking to each other. So I want to say, and we should learn this language, and we have time. If we have knowledge about this language, then we cannot get problem for talking each other. And then we have good opportunity for also get something, and we can visit other state and also in foreign country. This is my thought.
What is your thought about this class, that really conversation class which is running important for learners?
Really, this type of class is very important because with the help of this type of class we can enhance our speaking skill also, and this type of class is very admirable, and with the help of this type of class we can learn this language and quickly, and this type of class is very sufficient for learning this language. And one thing I want to say that East or West, English Point is the best for learning this language.
English Point is the best. Okay, now some question I'm asking with some of the students which are out of our class. You stand. Tell, this is related to your education. You are a competitive students. I want to ask a question with you. Tell the largest 4-digit number. The largest 4-digit number. Tell the largest 4 digits number. You are a competitive student, so you should have knowledge about it. Listen, please listen. She is going to answer my question. The question is that, what is the largest 4 digits number?
9,999.
Very good. Clap.